Hi friends, myself Dhruv Adgama. I have been selected for the position of Assistant Executive Engineer at Bombay High. In this video, I will give you detailed analysis of ONGC interview questions. So please friends, watch this video till end. So friends, let's start with ONGC merit weightage. ONGC takes into account three parameters while formulating the final merit list. First, gate score parameter, second, qualification, and third, interview marks. Gate score parameter is given 60% weightage and it's calculated as given formula gate score divided by 1000 into 60. Second, qualification marks is given 25% weightage and it is for BTech it is given 20 marks, MTech 20 marks. Only PhD candidates are given 25 marks. So for most of us, it will be 20 marks. Third thing, interview marks are given 15% weightage and they are awarded out of 15. But you have to be cautious that ONGC has cutoff of 9 marks in interview. So though you be a top ranker, but you may get rejected in interview if you score less than 9 marks. Now friends, I am going to give you real GATE 2019 example which will explain you importance of interview. If person secured All India rank of 103, his GATE score was 873 and his GATE score parameter comes out to be 52.38 according to this formula, and he scored 14 marks in interview. So his total comes out to be 86.38. While second person's All India rank was 50, his GATE score parameter was according to GATE score of 895 becomes 53.7 and he scores 12 marks in interview. So his total becomes 85.7. Hence a person with All India rank of 103 was able to convert himself into final selection. So friends, you have to give best shot in your interview. Now friends, whenever you will get call from any PSU, they will ask you to fill a CV. So depending on interviewer's mood, your 50 to 70% of interview will revolve around your answers written in that CV. So what a ONGC CV look like, let's see. So first they will ask you to fill scholastic achievements. Scholastic achievements can contain medals, scholarships, academic prizes, or it can contain paper published. Second thing you have to write is other particulars. In that, computer proficiency, what technical softwares you know, you can write. But in softwares they ask questions to implement some technical industrial problem using that software. So make sure to refer to tutorials or lectures for that software. So you be prepared for the answers asked in interview. Second thing, they ask about extracurricular activities you have done. So you can example, I can write robotics. I was event organizer in that event. They will ask about what role was yours in that event. The questions was like that. Third thing is hobbies. Almost to every candidate they were asking their hobbies and putting one or two questions on that hobby. So what questions were coming? If it's sports, any sports, they will ask about records, international records, national records, international famous personality or national famous personality of that sports. In my case, it was table tennis. So they asked who was #1 trending at present. Third thing is summer project. They will ask what was your role, what hardware you used, is your project some new or it can be implemented. Fourth thing is strength and weakness. In strength, you have to give your genuine strength and prepare two examples, real life example of yours when you showcase that strength in real life. And in weakness, you give a weakness on which you can work and improve it, not one on which it is irreparable kind. Example of weakness I can give like slow learner, on which you can work and improve it, not easily trust anyone, or stage fear. Fifth thing that was asked is why ONGC? So I can give you idea of ONGC that it has diverse portfolio, E&P, exploration and production, refining, petrochemicals, and so you will get lot of learning opportunity to develop yourself, and you will contribute to the nation by becoming an ONGCian. Now, in interview, they were also testing your basic knowledge related to oil and gas industry. So friends, what type of questions they were asking were like that. First, what is OPEC? It is oil and petroleum exporting countries. Second, how crude oil prices are decided. Third, which crude oil is taken as reference in the world. Today's Brent crude oil price. Brent crude is taken as reference for crude oil prices. What is OALP? In India, for allocating oil blocks, it is a policy decided by the government of India. What was last year's India's oil production and how much India imported last year? Apart from this, friends, you please refer the current oil and gas news on Google. So it will be also a plus point to you. They are also asking questions related to company. Like questions were 7 basins of India, Uran and Hazira plants of ONGC. Last year's company's profit, Forbes rank, corporate social responsibility. How much ONGC has spent last year in CSR, corporate social responsibility. Share price of ONGC, today's share price of ONGC on your interview day. KGDWN 98/2. It is the latest Eastern Offshore project of ONGC and it is its biggest project till now, and ONGC is currently working on it. So you have to refer it to. Apart from this, you go to ONGC's website and read about ONGC as much as you can. They were also asking industrial training related questions like what you learnt, ratings of the machineries you came across in industrial training, special machinery or any new technology you observed. In technical questions, as all of you have cracked GATE, so the technical questions were bit easy for all of us, but some typical questions which are behind the or out of the syllabus of GATE were like materials used in spark-proof equipments, hazardous area classification, zone 0, zone 1, zone 2. This hazardous area depends on the amount of time for which the ignitable materials or flammable materials are present in the atmosphere. Explosion proof motors, pumps, how they differ from normal motors or pumps. For mechanical they are asking explosion proof pumps, compressor, and for electrical it was explosion proof motors. They are indexed by EXP or ATEX written on the machineries, explosion proof machineries or explosion proof motors. Also they were asking about the current affairs that was trending at that time. Example, in 2019 it were Ujjwala Yojana, Triple Talaq, that year's budget's key point, and they are asking this question to many people. Today's newspaper headline. So read newspaper daily in this 2-3 months before your interview. That's all about the question I was able to collect, so that you can get a basic idea what the ONGC interview looks like. Also friend, I am posting my Quora's interview experience link in the description of this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please friend, like this video, and all the best for your interview. So friends, if you have any doubt related to interview guidance, cutoffs or questions discussed in this video, you can send email on the email ID in the description link given below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.